think. So, of course, here we have our planets. So, the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Saturn, Mercury, Venus. We get into the solar system. Imagine how big our galaxy is, and our universe, and everything. The planets. Don't think we can imagine how big they are. Look at this. Just so beautiful. The Earth and the moon. $4 billion years ago, as life began on Earth, Mars was also Earth-like. So Mars was like Earth 5 billion years ago, 4 billion years ago, sorry. Life ever died to be born, a fresh, forever young and eager. We stand upon this Earth as upon a footstool and stretch out its realm amidst the stars. Mercury plus Venus. Life's but a walking shadow. Macbeth Williams Shakespeare. Days yet to come. The beginning. It's just beautiful. Exploring Mercury. We're gonna do just a quick look into this big book. The moon. Mapping Mercury. Measuring Mercury. The bird of Venus. I think one of them. What's your favorite planet? Mine is Saturn. Goodbye, life. The end of Earth? Yeah. I'm so sorry for what's happening to our planet. Everything's just bad. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, look at this. Our Saturn, beautiful planet. Look at this. Can you imagine? We're surrounded by this. Look at this, Saturn. It's just beautiful. Saturn's beautiful. Let's go to the end of the book. The Grand Tour. If you launch from Earth at just the right time, you can fly by Jupiter in such a way that you can use its gravity to fling you onto Saturn. Then you hit Saturn just right to fling you onto Uranus and Neptune. That notion was called the Grand Tour, and that plan became the Voyager mission. That's interesting because, you know, yeah, look at this. Boom. The Grand Tour. is very big. Like, can you imagine that? How big the sun is? I always think about it. Look at this. Why do we explore? Some people ask. Shouldn't we focus on solving our problems here on Earth before spending time and energy and sources reaching for the stars? Well, I think that focusing entirely on our mode of dust would be a profound mistake. It would mean that we've taken the decision to sit huddled in a tiny corner of the solar system, wondering that we're doing here. Wonder what we're doing here. It would mean that we've taken the decision to fight among ourselves for even more precious resources, confined below a thin shell of air to the two-dimensional surface of a small rock, rather than following the three-dimensional path marked out by the lights in the night. We need to shift our focus. We live in a solar system of wonders, of planets, of storms and moons of ice, of landscapes and vistas that steer the imagination and enrich the soul. A system of limitless resources, limitless beauty, and limitless power, potential. If we don't go there, we'll never go anywhere. And if we go nowhere, then we'll have no future at all. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.